Hi friends, welcome to Jogo Coaching. In this video, I am going to explain about a 10-step process that can be used when you form a new Agile team in your organization. Forming a new Agile team is one of the key activities performed by the management to initiate the Agile transformation and the Agile way of product delivery. Let's understand the 10-step process in this video. The first step we should follow when we form a new Agile team is identify a Scrum Master and a Product Owner for the team. Identifying a Product Owner and the Scrum Master is a crucial step to build the Agile team. We need to onboard a Scrum Master with a good understanding of Scrum framework, Agile way of working, servant leadership qualities, and team coaching skills. We also need to onboard a product owner with a commitment to own the product vision, clear understanding of what the team should build as a product. This step should be the starting point for forming an agile team. If we get a good product owner and a scrum master, we can start the team formation with the next steps. The second step involved in building a new agile team is onboard the development team members with the right technical skill set to deliver the end-to-end product. Developers should be hired based on the skill set needed to develop the product. The team members should have all the skill set necessary to develop the product. Few skill sets are problem solving, coding, debugging, and testing skills. Team members should have the commitment and interest to work on the product and the related domain area. Detailed assessment during the hiring will be helpful to know the team member's interest to onboard a suitable team member. We should onboard the people who are interested to focus on continuous learning, teamwork, continuous improvement, and team collaboration. The third step in building the new Agile team is identify the project stakeholders and subject matter experts. Agile team will collaborate and work with the external stakeholders and SMEs, subject matter experts, who will be contributing for product development on need basis. For example, the system architect will be part of the architecture and design phase of the project. We need to clearly define the process, expectations, and collaboration approach for the Agile teams to work with the external stakeholders. One of the stakeholders for the Agile project is business analyst. So we need to identify the stakeholders and subject matter experts for the project and also should clearly define the process for the collaboration approach. The fourth step we should follow to form a new Agile team is conduct Agile and Scrum framework training for the team members and the stakeholders. The organization should arrange for the training with internal or external trainers for the team members and also for all the stakeholders of the project. This is another critical requirement to keep all the team members to focus on the agile way of working with a common understanding. In some organizations, agile coaches will be involved to give the basic training to the new team. Management should invest money for the training and also allocate time for the team for learning and training. We can also encourage the Scrum Masters to get a professional certification after training so that the Scrum Master can guide the team when they execute the project. The fifth step which can be followed in forming a new Agile team is formulate a team vision. We should conduct a session or workshop with the entire team to discuss about the communication plan, teamwork, ownership, product delivery, productivity, customer satisfaction related expectations and the importance. Based on the meeting outcome, team can define the vision for themselves to be a good, collaborated and self-organized team. Team can define what is important for them and how they can align with the product vision with the team vision. Having a team vision will help the agile teams to focus on a common goal and align everyone on the same vision. The sixth step involved in building a new agile team is create a team contract. Team contract is also called as working agreement. I have posted a video on working agreement in this channel. You can watch that video if you want to know more about working agreement and also understand the concept with an example. Team members can define their roles, what are the expected behaviors, and what things the team members should avoid, etc. Team can also define when or where they will conduct the Scrum events, when will they happy with the sprint, and what will be expected results of each sprint. Team members can discuss and define their working contract. This step will help the team members to keep their focus in future sprints based on the initial agreement that was defined as a team goal. Team members can create a poster for the team contract and post it in their work area. The seventh step in building a new agile team is prepare a product backlog for the team to work on first few sprints. Product owner should come up with the initial product backlog items based on the product requirement. This is another important task which should be considered when we form a new team. After identifying the product owner, we need to enable the product owner to come up with the product backlog to kickstart the work with the development team. The eighth step in building a new agile team is define the boundaries for the agile team. The boundaries are defined to assess the work completion status. In this step, team can define the definition of done, definition of ready, and testing criteria for the product delivery. Another example of a boundary the team can define is team members should not miss the daily stand-up meeting. If they are not able to attend the daily stand-up, they should inform the Scrum Master or other team members well in advance. Boundaries will avoid the deviation in the day-to-day activities of the Scrum team. This will be helpful to bring the right culture and expectation within the team. The ninth step to build the new agile team is set up the systems and tools for the team. Tools and systems are critical need for the development team to do their work. Tools will be used in requirement, design, test, integration, deployment, documentation, and etc. Management should provide the necessary tools with a license for the development team. Team members should be trained on the tools usage as part of their onboarding in the Agile team. Some tools used by the Agile teams are Jira, TFS, Confluence, Git, VSS, ID based on the technology, SonarQube, Jenkins, JUnit, etc. The 10th step involved in building a new Agile team is reserve time for the project kickstart. A good and formal kickstart of the project will give a positive energy and motivation to the new Agile team. This can be done for 1 or 2 days to conduct a refresher training, do some team building activities, conduct Agile games, initiate self-introduction about the team members, planning for first sprint activities, and introduction with the project stakeholders. After doing the kickstart, the team members can start the first sprint activities. Agile coach or Agile consultant will be part of all Agile events for 1 or 2 sprints to coach the Scrum Master, product owner, and the development team. These are all the 10 steps you can follow to form a new Agile team in your organization. Hope this video is useful to you. Please share your feedback and question about this video in the comment section. Please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get notification about new videos. Thank you.